Alright, so in this example, we're going to take a look at what happens when there's a negative a value. And so in this case, the a value is negative 1. Alright, so the only difference between our original one and this one is that this negative in front of the parentheses. And just like in the last video, the a value is a multiplier. So we're going to follow the same pattern. We go from our vertex, we go to the right one, we go up 1 squared, but then we're going to take that 1 squared, which is 1, and we're going to make it negative. So instead of being up 1, we're going to go down 1. Okay? And if we go 2 units to the right, we'd go up 2 squared, which is 4, but this time instead of going up 4, we're going to go down 4 because that value is negative. Alright? And just to verify, bam, there it is. Okay, and now I know I'm not graphing points on the left-hand side. How would we get those points? We just use that line of symmetry. And so if this point is 1 unit to the right of the line of symmetry, go 1 unit to the left. If the orange point is 2 units to the right, then go 2 units to the left. All right, so that symmetry allows us to get to the other half.